I'm so excited about today's juice recipe because I'll be juicing peach for the first time today, okay? So for this juice recipe, we're using only 3 ingredients: orange, peach, and lemon, okay? So let's start. Okay, I'm going to start by coring the peach. So it cuts open. So I'm just taking out the seeds from the peach. Peaches are so sweet, so nice. So with the whole festive period coming, the Christmas, New Year, Thanksgiving and everything that is approaching, you can actually make some fresh homemade juice for your family and friends, and this is a really good recipe for you to make for them. This peach and orange, I already know it's going to taste good, so I'm recommending it even though I'm not done making it, because I know it's going to taste good. Okay, so yeah, this is one of the recipes that you can really make for your family and friends for Christmas, for New Year, Thanksgiving. I'm going to peel my orange like this today. I think this is, I don't know, not a better way to peel orange, but I'm just used to peeling it like this, because whenever I go like this, I feel like I'm cutting out so much flesh from the orange, so I just prefer doing it in circles like this. Okay. Okay, so can you see how big this lemon is? I got this lemon from Shed yesterday. It's really big, so I don't think I'll be using all. I'm going to use half because I'm actually going to make another juice recipe. So I'm going to use half of this lemon, just because I feel like it's too big. I don't want the taste to be too much in the juice. Lemon has a very strong taste. Alright, so I'm going to start by juicing the peaches alone, because I want to taste the peach juice on its own to see what it tastes like. Wow, it's so big. I didn't know it was gonna be that big. Okay, I'm going to pour it out here. It's really thick. Okay, now I'm going to juice the oranges and the lemons. Alright, so this is the rest of the juice, the orange juice. It's kind of thick. Okay, tasting time. This is different, okay? Good different, of course. This is really good, guys. Like I said, you can make some of these homemade juice recipes for your family and friends this festive period. You can make it for Christmas, you can make it for New Year, you can even make it for Thanksgiving, okay? And I'm sure they'll be glad you did, because you're offering them the healthy option, right? All right, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Really try this recipe at home. I also have some more juice recipes that you can try this festive period. I'll leave the link to my ebook in the description box. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.